Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a comparison video of all my Cartier Love Rings. So if you're interested on my opinions, please keep on watching. So guys, for this video, I'm going to be comparing my 3 love rings. It's going to be the love ring that's going to be the thicker version, also the love wedding band, and also the love wedding band with the 1 diamond. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. So typically, you guys, if you buy your piece from the Cartier boutique or the Cartier store, it should come with the Cartier red box, also the receipt, and the love certificate that matches with the serial number of your Cartier ring or jewelry. And also, sometimes they give you a travel pouch if you ask them, and sometimes they do provide you with a cleaning kit. It just depends on the boutique and also your sales associate. So let's go ahead and show you the comparison. So these are my love rings, you guys. As you can tell, this one is the thicker love version, and this is in rose gold. This one is the Cartier Love Band, and this is the thinner version, and this one is in yellow gold. And this one is my Cartier Love ring with the 1 diamond, and this one is also in rose gold. This band is just a regular wedding band that I got, so that isn't included. But this is how I like to wear my rings. And yeah, so this is a close-up of the rings right now. Forgive my hands, I don't have the best hands, you guys, but this is what they look like. So you guys, let's go ahead and get started talking about the Cartier Love Rings. I'm going to start with my very first Cartier ring, and this is the Cartier Love Ring in the thicker version, and this is in the pink gold color. I think I've had this since 2012 or 13. And this is my first ever Cartier ring. Inside, it says Cartier with the engraving and also the serial number that's specific to the ring, and also the ring size of this specific piece. This is what it looks like. Detailed version of it. There is no stones or diamonds on it whatsoever. This is how thick it looks like. And this is a size 53, and it does fit in my middle finger. And that's just what it looks like. And then I also have said this in a few of my Cartier videos, that the pink gold does fade into like a yellowish gold. But if you have them close together and you look really close, you could tell that they're different, since the pink gold is a bit deeper than the yellow gold, but throughout time it does fade. And all the Cartier Love Rings are 18 karat gold. So let's move on to the thin version. So this, you guys, is my Cartier wedding band, and this is in the yellow gold, or the thinner version of the Cartier Love Rings. I think I got this one maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and this is just what it looks like. I noticed that the engraving on the Love wedding band is not as deep as my thicker one. If you can tell, you can't really see what the engraving is, but it says Cartier and also the serial number, and it also says the size of this ring. This is in the yellow gold version, and this is just in the plain wedding band. There's no diamonds or stones whatsoever, and that's just what it looks like. This one I purchased in a size 55 because I wanted this to be a stackable piece. It actually fits in my thumb perfectly because I wanted it to be like a thumb ring, or also my index finger. It fits perfectly on my index finger, as well as it stacks perfectly with this other love ring. If you could tell, this one is the pink gold and this one is the yellow gold. I don't know if you guys could tell the deepness of the color right there. There you go. And the rivets, the love design does not actually align with the rings, because the thinner version obviously has a closer circular design, if you could see there. It doesn't align with the thicker one, obviously. But usually what I do is I stack the thinner one under the thick one, because it keeps the ring in place. because the thinner one is a bigger size and I don't want to lose it. Sometimes my hands swell up and they sometimes get skinnier and I don't want to lose the thinner love ring. So that is what it looks like stacked, you guys. So the thicker love ring that I have right here is a size 53 and the thinner one is a size 55. And this is just what it looks like stacked. Moving on to my newest Cartier love ring, and this is the Cartier wedding band with the one diamond. So this is what it looks like, and this is in rose gold. You can see the one diamond right there, and this is just what the ring looks like overall. This ring in particular is a size 48, and it only fits on my ring finger on the left side. If you look inside the ring, you could see the engraving and also where they have the diamond. There you go. That little dot right there is where the diamond is. And as what I said, this is in pink gold, and this is the newest addition to my love ring collection. This in particular I got because I wanted to have a wedding band alternative for work because I didn't want to wear my original wedding band. So I had my husband purchase this for me, and this was actually my Christmas gift from him. So this is what it looks like. So I wanted to compare all three rings together. This is what they look like right now. These two are rose gold or pink gold, and then this one is yellow gold. So width wise, you guys, I wanted to go over the width. The thinnest version of the love rings out of the three that I have is the yellow gold version. This is the plain wedding band version, this one right here. Compared to the wedding band with the diamond, so comparing these two are both called wedding bands, but the one with the diamond is just a little bit thicker compared to the plain one. If you guys could see that. Can you guys see that? The one with the diamond is just a hair thicker. And this is what they look like when you look from this angle. You could totally tell that this one is thinner than the other one. So this is what the three of them look like side by side. So the thickest one, you guys, is this one, and this one is the love ring in the pink gold. Second one in the middle for width is this one, and it's called the love wedding ring with one diamond. And the thinnest version is this one in yellow gold, and this is called the love ring wedding band. So I hope this one helps you. I feel like preference wise, if you're going to use this specifically as a love band or a wedding band, I must say, I would go for the middle one with the diamond if you can afford it, because I feel like that's the most flattering out of all the three widths if you're going to use it by itself for a wedding band purposely. I feel like for your first purchase or your first Cartier love ring, if you want it to be a statement ring, I would go for the thicker one because it looks better by itself. And I just feel like it's more of a statement piece. If you're looking for a stackable version, I would go for the wedding band with no stones whatsoever because it looks dainty and great on its own, as you can see right there. And it's also a great alternative if you want to stack it with another love ring. It doesn't even need to be a love ring, you guys, as well. I mean, I got this wedding band randomly. I had it in my collection, and it stacks perfectly with my wedding band right here with a one diamond, and I think it looks great. I feel like it adds a little bit flair to the ring. This one is in yellow gold. This wedding band that's not Cartier is in yellow gold, and this one is in pink gold, and I feel like it complements it very well since there's like a little bit of diamonds and it makes it a little bit more blingy. So that is it, you guys. I will also leave pricing with each of the rings below if I haven't already. And I would like to thank you guys for a wonderful response from my Cartier Love Bangle comparison. You guys asked me which one I prefer. Honestly, for my first Cartier bangle, I would go with the thicker bangle just because that's my preference. And I feel like if you're looking to stack your bracelets, I would add a thinner one then. But as what I said, it's all preference. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave it linked down below. I also have a sole review of my Cartier bracelet. I will also leave that link down below. And if you guys have any more questions, I hope you guys found this video helpful. I feel like I was all over the place as always, but if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below and I will do my best to answer all of your questions. As always, I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Thank you so much. Love you all, and namaste. Bye.